Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11 and how to work with. First you need to find if your PC is support the Bluetooth or not. To do that, right click on the start menu, go to device manager, and in this menu if you can see this kind of Bluetooth icon, that means your computer is supported Bluetooth. So let's get started with next steps. Let's see how to turn on Bluetooth. First you need to go to start menu and go to setting. In this menu you need to go to Bluetooth and devices. In here you can see the Bluetooth is turned off. You can turn it on like this. And other than that, you can do that in the quick setting. In this taskbar, just tap on these three icons and you can see Bluetooth is turned on. You can turn it on or turn it off in here also. To pair a Bluetooth device, you need to turn it on and it should be in pairing mode. Then after you need to come here. Then after you can see there's option called add device. Just tap on it. Then after there are three options: Bluetooth device, wireless display or dock, or other things. So most of the time it use the first one, Bluetooth, because it is support mic, mice, keyboards, pens, audio devices kind of things. Just tap on it. In my case I am not turned on the Bluetooth. Just turn it on and tap on add device again. Go to Bluetooth. You can see it is searching the devices, but in my area there is no Bluetooth turned on device, so it will be show nothing. So if your device is turned on, you will be able to find that device in here. Just tap on that device, then it will be connect with your computer. So you need to manage your paired devices. Once you connect your Bluetooth device in here, you will be able to see that. If you need to remove that one, just tap on that device in the three dots, then you can tap on remove device. If your Bluetooth is not working, just close this one, right click on the start menu, go to device manager. In here tap on Bluetooth and you can find the Bluetooth driver. Right click on it, tap on update driver and tap on update. In my case it is already installed, so it will be able to fix the Bluetooth related issues. So I think this video is helpful for you. If you think this video is good, please subscribe and like this video.